where we dive deep into the fascinating world of rare coin. It's our 1-year anniversary, and what better way to celebrate than by exploring the value, information, and history of the elusive Schilling 1998 coin. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting coin-related content. Now, let's jump right into it. The Schilling 1998 coin is a gem for collectors, known for its scarcity and unique features. Minted in 1998, this Austrian coin carries historical significance, and its design is a testament to the craftsmanship of the time. The obverse typically features a prominent figure or symbol, while the reverse showcases a design representing the rich history of Austria. Taking a closer look at the details, the Schilling 1998 coin is usually composed of a specific metal alloy, contributing to its durability and aesthetic appeal. The diameter, weight, and other specifications make it stand out among other coins of its era. Understanding these details is crucial for any collector looking to assess the authenticity and quality of their coin. Beyond its physical attributes, let's delve into the historical context surrounding the Schilling 1998 coin. What was happening in Austria during that time? What events might have influenced the design of this coin? By exploring the history, we gain a deeper appreciation for the coin's significance and its place in the broader context of numismatics. Now, one of the most pressing questions for collectors is, what's the current market value of the Schilling 1998 coin? Factors such as rarity, condition, and demand all play a role in determining its value. We'll explore recent auction results and trends in the collector's market to give you an idea of what this coin might be worth today. For our fellow coin enthusiasts out there, we'll wrap up with some tips for collecting and preserving the Schilling 1998 coin. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting, these insights will help you navigate the world of numismatics and make the most of your coin collecting journey. There you have it, folks, the Schilling 1998 coin, a rare and valuable piece of history. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow coin collectors. Thank you for being part of our community for the past year. Here's to many more years of exploring the wonders of numismatics together. Don't forget to comment down below with your thoughts and any other coins you'd like us to feature in future videos. Until next time, happy collecting!